Hey guys, so today I'm going to do something that I have been very excited about, and that is my room tour. And I know all 10 of my subscribers have been dying to see this. I know, calm down. I didn't plan my intro past this. This is hard. I'm just gonna keep it going. So I have moved out. I don't live with my parents anymore. So right now I am living in my college town with my best friend and roommate. She lives across the apartment from me, and you know, I'm loving it. Living by yourself, it's fun, as you can imagine. Like, you have a lot of freedom, but also freedom and responsibility isn't always fun. Like, dishes. Like, you think dishes are bad when your mom makes you do it like a few times a week, but no, when you have to do it like every day, and I mean every day, or else they pile up. Dishes, the worst. Also, like, you have to cook for yourself and buy groceries. No. Anyway, not the point of this video. The point of this video is I'm just gonna show you what my room looks like and what the setup is and how I've decorated my room. I guess a room tour is really self-explanatory, so I don't really have to explain it to you. So let's just get right in with it. Right behind my door, I have a coat hanger that I keep my jackets and my raincoats on, and I have all 3 of the purses that I own right here. And then right behind that, I have a mirror that I couldn't find a place for the longest time. So I put it there, and you know, it's cute and I love it. And then right behind my door, I keep my camera stuff. So I have my camera bag, my charger, and then my tripod right behind it, if you can see. And then right on this wall behind my door and behind my bed, I have 2 windows. And if you can look out them, that's actually a really busy street right there. And if you can see that, that is a train track, and it gets so loud when it drives by. It's so bad. Literally wakes me up at 4 in the morning. Anyway, so on my windowsills, I have a notebook that I got from my church when I graduated high school. And then on top of that, I have this little mug that I got from a pottery place in Tennessee. Took that picture at the Modern Art Museum in Fort Worth because, you know, we're artsy like that. And then next to that is actually the first flowers that he ever bought me. I dried them out and put them in a little jar, and I keep that right behind my bed, and I love it. And then because I'm an adult, I have my Winnie the Pooh stuffed animals right there, my only friends. And then right here, I have my nightstand. So I have my Bath & Body Works candle right here, and I just put that on a little geode slab, I guess is what you would call it. So I have that right there, kind of like a coaster, but just a decoration. And then I have my salt rock lamp that I love. They're literally like $20 on Amazon. I recommend. And then I have my notebook and a book that I'm reading. Then right under that, I just keep things like a Bible, a pencil case, and then just some notebooks. This is the Artist of Life Workbook by Lavendaire. I'll link her channel below. She's a YouTuber and she's awesome. And then right under my bed right here, I'm not really gonna show you, but it's just like reusable grocery bags, stuff like that. That's where I keep all of those. And then right under my bed is where I keep my dressers. Now the way my apartment did it, they actually had them pulled out and stacked on top of each other. I have one here and then one turned to the side right here, if you can see. But I unstacked them and put them under my bed so I had more storage. And yeah, that's what they look like. You see I have boxes and bags, and just ignore that. So I keep t-shirts here, I keep like athletic clothes, pajama pants there. Then on the other side, I have a drawer that I'm not going to show you. And this is just my art drawer. I did have extra room, so I have just notebooks in here. I have craft paper, pencils, pretty sure their markers are in here. I have my wood burning kit, and you know, just some fun stuff. Anyway, And then over here I just have more storage. And then I have my, what would you call this? Like a chair pillow? Back pillow? I don't know, but it's from Target. I got it last year before I moved into my freshman dorm. And I keep that there just kind of like, just thought it was cute. I don't have a good reason. It's just there. Then I have my Stitch pillow pet and then my 9 3/4 Hogwarts pillow that is unraveling. Not really sure how to fix that, but you know, it's fine. That is way out of focus. I just have a full-length mirror right here. So if I ever want to check my outfits, because you know, always wearing leggings and t-shirts to class, gotta check that outfit. And I also have this little canvas bag from ACL that I got this year. And I didn't really have a place for it, but I thought it was cute, so I put it right here on this mirror. Hang on, I'm gonna back up. I have my closet. And right on the closet door, I have a little sign that I believe I got from like the dollar section at Target. You know, the one that's like $5 or less. I think I got this there. It just says the best is yet to come. Then when you open it up, cool. Up in the corner over here, I have my art box with some more art supplies. And I actually carried that box around my freshman year of college to all of my art classes. And then I have some heels and boots up here. Olaf stuffed animal that I believe my mom gave to me. A little A decoration that I don't know what to do with, so I put up here. A little bag up here with just, honestly I think it's just batteries and stuff there. And over here I have scrapbook paper. On this side I mostly have pants and jackets and sweaters. And on this side I have, there's that train I was telling you about. Can we just, do you see how close this is? You literally could not see it. Oh well. Anyway, so I just have more shirts and tank tops or whatever on that side. And here I just have more of the shoes that I wear every day plus my rain boots. On this side I keep my suitcase because I travel home a lot and that's what I use to travel home, obviously. And on this side I keep my laundry basket, but right now I'm doing laundry, so that's not here. And then right here I keep just some books, so I have my Harry Potter books. And then here are some of the other books. And then my jewelry right here with the jewelry holder that my sister gave me. And then on this side I keep flip-flops and sandals and stuff. This one is all of my socks and beanies. And then this one's just kind of random supplies, so I have like scarves, hats, I have a curling iron in there. I don't even know. On this side, probably my favorite part of my room, I have my desk. Computer just went dark, that's cool. So on the back of my chair, my little spinning chair, I have a denim jacket that I thrifted in San Marcos on the square. And it's a Hard Rock Hotel Las Vegas, and it is a men's large, so it swallows me whole, but it's super cute. But since I can't really wear it, I just keep it on the back of my chair, and I honestly, I love it. I think it's so cute. So I keep that there. And then on my desk, I have my Mac that my parents gave me for Christmas. They actually paid for half of it, and then I'm paying off the other half, so your girl is poor. All of my money is going towards this. In fact, I probably need to make a payment on it. I usually just keep my water bottle right next to it because, you know, gotta stay hydrated. And I have my calendar and then another geode right there that I keep my, I totally blanked. What is this called? Pencil holder? Cup thing? I don't know. I keep pens there, the ones that I use most often when I'm studying. And then above that, I got these little shelves from Amazon whenever I moved in. They were only like $20, I want to say. But if you get these same shelves, I'm going to warn you, do not use the nails that come with them or the screws, because they will break off and damage your walls. I speak from experience. Just look at the nail, what type of nail they are. Go to Lowe's or whatever home improvement stores next to you and pay like the $3 to buy better screws. It is so worth it because I don't even know if you could tell, but my walls are damaged. I keep some rocks because I think they're pretty. I've had this one literally since elementary school. And then behind that I have a little postcard from Boston because this summer my family and I went to Boston and it was the first time I had ever been up north. Actually, that's not true. I've been to Canada, but that's the first time that I've kind of been northeast. Keep my Boston postcard. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, okay, there we go. I keep that right there because I just think it's cute and it reminds me of my trip and my family and it just makes me really happy. And then I have a clock right there that doesn't work, but you know, it's cute, so I keep it there. And this is my plant. That is my plant named Cece. And you know, she's not doing so hot right now. I'm not the best at taking care of plants, you know, but we're learning. We're learning. Cece, we're gonna get through this. Right next to my plant, I have a little Tommy Pickles figurine because I love cartoons. I'm always drawing. And then next to that, I have a little picture that I took of my puppy Coda. Totally in love. She's the cutest thing ever. And next to that, I have a Fort Worth Zoo train ticket that I got there. And it's just a fun little memory. And then next to that, there's a little heart rock that I believe one of my mom's co-workers gave to me when I graduated. I have one drawer on my desk, and inside this, I'm just gonna warn you, it's not that cute. Told you. And then in here, I just keep like washi tape, stamps that I've actually never used. Should probably use those. And then I keep Post-its, stickers, hair ties, pins, just really whatever. A planner that I don't use because you know my life's falling apart and I don't need planners because I don't plan anything. And then below that, I have a basket that I want to say I got at Target. Pretty positive. I have a lot of the art supplies that I use most often in here just so they're right up wherever I am because I'm usually doing art up here and so they're right next to me. Behind that, if you can tell, it's kind of crooked, but I have my light board for when I do my art, and then I don't have a backpack because it has a hole in it. So I use this bag that I got at Old Navy, and I just keep that right next to my desk, so I always have it next to me. And then, right here, it is a watercolor painting that my cousin did for me, and it's just of a little bird in his art style, and it says, "I wish we all had wings and that we all could sing and never waste our words, but then we'd all be birds." And I think it's the cutest thing ever. And then obviously, I have a bed. And a motorcycle. Okay, anyway, so this is a blanket that my mom actually made for me. She got the fabric from Hobby Lobby and then tied them together, and it's the softest thing in the world. I'm in love. And then my bedding, it's really old. It's from the Bethany Moda collection at Aeropostale, if you guys remember that. So it's very old, but it still works and it's still cute because I didn't use it for the longest time. I have this pillow that I got from Anthropologie, and then I have a little stuffed animal that my boyfriend got me that I always have on my bed. And now we have the bathroom. Welcome. Right when you walk in, you have the, what's it called? The sink. That's what this is called. You have my sink and my countertop. And then right here, I always keep my face brush. And then I have a toothbrush holder. I don't even keep my toothbrush in it, but you know, I don't know. I also have my snake plant that I named Schmidt. And you know, I just watered him, leaking a little bit, so he has a towel under him. And then right here I have another salt rock lamp, but it's one that you can plug into the wall, and it's so cute. I love it. And it actually came in a pack of 2 on Amazon, and I gave the other one to my roommate, and she also has that one in her bathroom. Then up here is actually another one of the shelves because it came in a set of 3, and I have a actual geode right here, and then another pink crystal. And I used to have a succulent right here that I named Nick, but sadly, Nick is no longer with us. It's okay. Then right next to that, I have this astrology map that I got from Target from the Magnolia collection by Chip and Joanna Gaines. Then right under that, I have this little basket that I got also at Target. I want to say it was literally like $3. It's really cute, and it also has chalk on the sides if you want to write on it. And I just keep some of my like bathroom stuff in there. Rose gold trash can. Probably got it at Target, I don't even know. And over here, I usually keep my towel there, but like I said, I'm doing laundry, so it's not there right now. And then I keep my Victoria's Secret robe right there. And then I have 2 Target bath mats, light pink. If you can't tell, it's my favorite color. And then I have my shower curtain that I also got at Target. Just going back into my room. I love it. Literally my favorite place.